Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport Australia Speed. Today we've got one of the 3-stars, the Mercedes. Probably going to ask what's it doing in here. Well, it's been here before. It's been in a bit of a paddock, I think. Not in as good condition as it was, but I think it'll still be pretty fun. You guys haven't seen it before. She may be dusty, but it's lurking something big under there. That's no German 8, that's American LS muscle with a SS super stock cam. So yeah, filter's probably a bit small in a few other areas, but yeah, you know what, let's buzz it on the rollers and see if it actually can talk the talk and walk the walk, not just be a bit of a show pony. Let's see if it actually does something. Let's go. Okay, pretty impressive. 295 rear wheel kilowatts. Obviously our leads had a bit of a jump around, so that's not correct on the RPM. But yeah, pretty fun thing. At the end of the day, tune-up's all good. It's here for an auto deal, and it has ran that power consistently up there. Roughly 290s, what it does. So yeah, pretty fun, cool thing. 290 rear wheel kilowatts. Even a standard LS1 back in them days is probably 190. So it's got a super stock cam. Camshaft's pretty cool. So not really gonna know you got much of a cam. It's pretty stealthy. Probably should be called the stealth, but it's called the super stock, and it's hiding in this Mercedes, and it's gonna make the great German blue car into a tyre pounding machine. Hope you like it.